Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a good while since I've posted a video and I do apologize to you all, but it's just been the nature of kind of where our family has been over the last couple of weeks, dealing with my mom and her passing and funeral arrangements and all the things. So I'm not going to talk too much about that because I'm sure I will get emotional and I do not wish to do that. So today's video, we're working in Mom's bedroom, in my bedroom, and I am trying to do or complete the mom space that I started. So with the hospital equipment in here, I was not able to do a lot because I was making space for my mom. Being that she is no longer here, I can now begin to make the mom space. So I'm going to show you what my bedroom looks like right now. It is in a little bit of a mess. Actually, we just got back yesterday from being out of town all week. And we're just getting our bags unpacked and everything. So it's kind of a little bit of a mess. It's not too bad. To my standards, it's a mess. But anyway. But anywho, I'm going to show you what I'm working with and then tell you what I'm going to be using to get this space ship shape. Okay, you guys, so here is the hospital bed. They still have not come to pick up all of the equipment. They did call me on Tuesday, but I'd already left town to go and begin to make arrangements for my mom. So I'm working around the hospital bed. They are supposed to be coming tomorrow, Monday, to pick up all of the rest of the equipment. Some of the equipment was at the nursing home. They should have picked this up over 2 weeks ago, and they have not. So prayerfully, this will be gone tomorrow, and I will show you a final of what everything looks like after they get the bed out. But for now, this is what we're working with. So I've got my couch here. I've got the marble table. Do need to clean that off a little bit. My bookshelf is done, no problem. Over here, I have the seating chair. Not sure what happened to my pillow. I might have spilled some bleach on it without my knowing, but I have to look at it. So I have my chair just turned because of the bed. I'm trying to be able to still get to the bathroom with the bed there. And then I have a little bedside table that I did have beside the bed, but I had to move. I have my dresser and the TV, which I do need to go in and clean out this whole dresser. That'll be a whole nother video. And then I have my bed, which I got this. This is called Rose Blue Beds Quilt. I got a quilt and then just the pillows. So let me share with you what I'm going to be using to help enhance the space. Oh, and then over here I just have my vanity, which I need to clean. So anywho, forgive the mess. We have been traveling, but we're about to get it ship shape. So I went to Walmart and picked up a few things. So this is a new bathroom set. And I know I don't have to have a new bathroom set every time I get a new bedspread. But sometimes I just like to have a nice, something nice to go along with the new bedspread. This was $19.99. I got that a couple weeks ago. And this for the 15 pieces, of course, all that includes those little things you hang the curtain with, was $16. So 2 rugs, a curtain, which I thought would play good off of this rosy pink color. I also picked up a, oh, that's for the closet. Okay. So, picked up a new shower curtain, shower liner. Then I also picked up some pillowcases. All I have are the white ones, and I didn't think they kind of popped enough. So I picked up just standard pillowcases. They're 2 blue and 2 with this pattern, which I thought would be good with this particular bedspread. Then I found these curtains, which this is a 4-piece set. It has 2 blues and then 2 sheers. And I like these. I like this pattern to go with the blue. But I found, and they were like, that was a little bit less than $10. So $9.80 something. And then I found these, which I really like. I like it for the pattern. I like these little fringy pieces. But these have the grommet holes. And I don't have a curtain a rod that's big enough. But I'm going to see how it looks to add all both sets of curtains just to see how it's gonna look with the decor. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod and just kind of bring you along as I'm working in the bedroom to get everything ship shape. Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. Okay, bye. Bye, Felicia. Okay, can we put these?
Say hi to the vlog now.
Well, out of my way. Oh, the curtain's up there. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Glory. Oh, Alana, get me a duster thing. I've got some cobwebs that cannot.
No,
move.
don't you.
Ah!
Dogs. Careful, Mom. You're on the edge of the bed.
Bed surfing. Woo! Bed surfing. Let's go surfing now. Everybody surfing now. Come on, everybody. With me. Hey, where's my computer? This shouldn't take me longer than 15 minutes if I can go ahead and move on.
One of your people has to be in the lab. Oh, no, there it is.
The bath? I'm gonna go in the bathroom and hide.
Mom, I said it was her. Mom, this is
Huh?
your project. I said it was her.
Well, can you come here now?
You want the computer? Here's your duster thing. Cobwebs.
Okay, you get up there.
Hey, Mom.
After church went out, you just sat there?
No, I met Miss Johnston.
Oh, right.
Right.
And then when did you get there?
Get where, babe?
Like, what was the time?
Oh, it was just a few minutes. I had only been there for a few minutes.
Oh, I'll take the camera.
I'm trying to decide. Let me see. It's gonna look bad with the grommets.
I have no clue what that is.
What is that?
Just these curtains. I'm trying to decide because I may want to take them back.
Jackson.
No, he's doing it the way I told him.
What do you think we should do this week? I definitely think we should get some bike riding. You stay here in the house. We'll put Ma'am on the lead chain. Me and Jackson
Well,
will
how am I
bike
gonna get exercise if I stay in the house?
Oh, I thought you'd be working on something.
Probably.
How about you take your videos outside and you sit on the porch?
I still need exercise. Okay.
Okay.
See how it looks
You could do the treadmill.
different?
I mean, the
You
bike.
think I should put that one in the middle? I don't love it in the middle.
Neither do I.
I can almost fit in yours.
Jack, turn the thing back on.
Here's the pillowcases that keep falling.
Emma, I can almost fit. Hold on, I can almost fit in your shoes.
That's nice, Jackson.
Almost.
All you. Now, do I need
Oh,
to
you
see
know
the-
what? This bed skirt is black. I need a different
I won't do anything.
How did she get this banana?
Oh.
Hell.
Oh, and it's her new best friend now.
What's under there? Surely is, sure is.
What banana?
Yours?
Oh, well, it's Mary's now. Where's the banana?
All the way
It's
over
all the
there.
way over there.
How we looking on the curtains? Y'all give me a thought.
Okay, thought speaking
Step
now.
back and look.
It goes with the color scheme.
Alana, let's move that white lamp. Change it out with this lamp.
I
like
like it,
that one better?
except for those rings.
The switching on the thing. The switching on the lamp. It's
No,
better for you.
the lamp shade is black.
Exactly, Mom.
Probably foam. It used to be feathers from the farm. When they would kill the chickens,
Feather the ladies.
they would take the feathers and
But now you can feel the hook in your bed.
right.
Doesn't it?
No. That you're gone and I am not so tired.
This one can go out. This is trash for Jag. Okay, you guys, so the kids and I are done. It looks decent. We still have the bed in here, and we are going to be, you know, the company is coming to pick it up. So I'm going to turn my camera around. Jackson's taking out the trash and show you what we have been able to do thus far. So I've cleaned off my vanity table, and again, I have a chair. It's just sitting behind the door that I will use whenever I need to sit here. I did move the white lamp from here. So back to the bed. We've made the bed. I have both the pattern curtains and then the dark blue curtains to break up some of the white. I do want to get a pink something here in the middle. Now to the curtains. So I have the blue with the grommets, and then I have the other two blues here, and then I repeated the pattern on that side. So the grommets look a little different because they kind of stick up a little. We're going to let it settle and see how we feel about it after a while. So that's done. Again, remember, you just have to imagine the hospital bed is not here. So on this little table, this is where I'll have my prayer chair and a little side lamp in case it's late at night. We just moved the all white lamp there because that just looked better with the room. And then here, of course, and see, they still have to get the oxygen. We have the books, and then we have the couch with the pink flowers. I want to get a pink pillow, but we had some green and gold pillows in the other room. We just brought them in and kind of make that chair look a little bit more cozy. So that's what we did in here. And then as far as the bathroom, I simply changed out the shower curtain to a pinkish, purplish color to kind of pull that rosy out of the blue rose quilt. Added in the two rugs there, and then everything else here is the same, with the exception of I moved this cabinet back to how it was before Beauty came. So my medicines are here and hair stuff is here. And then on this side, I just have like the things I use every day: mouthwash, toothpaste, face scrubbers, and that type of thing. So I had to declutter those two cabinets. Okay, so some people might say, Shakima, you're, changing your house around mighty fast. Why are you doing that? And for me, I just need to have this is how I have to grieve. I grieve by working and doing things. So I needed to get my space back to my space. Not that I'm trying to rush the memory of Beauty out of my house. I just need to, it's how I have to process. It's how I have to be okay with everything, with her passing, and did I make the right decision as a daughter? Just all the things that I'm going through in my own head. So we're having everything removed from the house because I just need to get back to a state of mind that lets me rest. And just working on my room was something I needed to do. So I'm thankful that it is done. We'll show you another video of what it looks like after the bed is removed. And then I'm still having some work done in my master closet because something wasn't right. So Mandy's coming back to fix it. So after I get that squared away, I'll show you what that looks like. But I just needed to bring it back to Shakima. I did want to say thank you guys so very much. We came home. We had been gone for a whole week. We came home and went to the P.O. box, and there were cards of condolence. There was cards of well wishes and sympathy. There were, you know, gift cards for whatever we needed. I've been out of work for a week, and that was very kind. It was very thoughtful. I mean, on the road, I have to still eat keto. My kids can eat whatever. And of course, people bring food during an event like this. And so, you know, expense of eating, you know, buying food that I needed to eat. I didn't eat any meals out. I just bought food that I needed to have for myself. Was very helpful, knowing that when you know, there was something to help me get back on my feet after we got back home. So I didn't know any of those things were coming, but I'm very blessed to each and every one of you who sent something. And so I'm going to try to sit down this week and send out thank you cards. If it's next week, please just, you know, forgive me. I'm trying to do my very best, and I will get them out as best as I can. But anywho, we just thought we would bring you guys along and share with you what we were able to do in this space. I am loving it. I've never had a mom space. My kids have always shared my room. Right across from where I'm sitting right now is a TV. So if I'm sitting here and I want to watch a show, I can do that. I've already folded laundry on this space because we had laundry when we came home. But we just very appreciative. So anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like it, thumb it up. If you haven't, hit subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.
Say hi to the fam. To the subscribers, the community. Oh, yes. Hey, how you doing, girl? How you doing? How you doing? You look so cute. Can you say hi to the subscribers? Oh, thank you. She says hi, y'all.